October thada chatnagadaba state ki guidelines sing laukthokuna athingba mayam komthokre hotel restaurant chingba hangba yare school college ti yadri Manipur lengakna tha sigi amadagi kuntraga mathoi phauba chatnagadaba unlock 2 gi guideline laukthokuna hana thamlamba athingba kaya ama laukthokre adumakpu coaching center yauna mahiloisang singdi amuk hanna hangdokpagi matangdadi Kona lengakna tonganbo order ama thokani hairi Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar na haukiba sagol se numita thokiba tha sigi amadagi chatnaba haugadaba unlock 2 gi guideline thokibaga loinana tha sigi taramanga gi matungdadi social academic sports entertainment cultural religious political function amadi atai miyam punba thoram sing indoor da pangthokpa oiragadi Seat capacity ki chada yankai haibadi mioi chamadagi sani phauba punba yaragani adumakpu face mask uppaga loinana social distancing thermal scanning amadi hand wash ki kanglon ngakadabani open area da pangthokpa oiragadi ground space adugi park chawbagi matung inna mi punbada athingba lairoi adu face mask social distancing yauna laingakna piba SOP ngakadabani masigi daita function adugi organizer na daita logodabani Swimming pool sing sanaroi singi training gi oina hangbada ayaba leiragani local base oiba retail shop sing manamasing yonfam sangom amadi sakaklaga yonba sing numit khudingi ayuk pung 3 tagina nungtil pung 3 phauba hangbada athingba leite ayuk ki pung 3 tagina numidang wairam pung 3 phauba hotel restaurant sing hangbagi ayaba pi bagaloina na cinema hall theater multi practicing set capacity ki chada yangkhaida Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na piba SOP ngaklaga hangba yagani Department of Commerce na piba SOP ngaklaga business to business B2B gi exhibition ayaba pire Entertainment park amadi manaba mafam sing Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na piba SOP ngaklaga hangdokpada ayaba pire Education activity gi oina university college amadi school singi oina online class tauba amadi exam tauba coaching amadi tuition center singna online tuition amadi examination tawba yagani National Skill Training Institute Industrial Training Institute sakhanglaba short term training center sing amadi manaba atai entrepreneurship ki institution sing SOP ngakna hangbada athingba leitre adumakpu school college educational institution sing amuk hanna hangdokpagi matangdadi laingakna tonganba order ama thokani hairi Thangal Kaitel Dharmasala Pauna Kaitel Masjid Road ki wholesale dukan sing nongmaijing natana numit khudingi ayuk pung 3 tagina nungthilgi pung 3 phauba hangba yagani Pauna Kaitel amasung Thangal Kaitel da leiriba gali dukan sing natana Kaitel ani ayuk ki pung 9 dagina numidang wairam pung 3 phauba group ani thoklaga roster da thong hangani Lockdown manung jiri mau amadi Jesami border lalaga tangai fadaba potlam sing puba gari sing truck chatpa yagani Mapan state sing da chatliba truck driver amadi helper singna SOP ngakna chatkadabani National Highway da Indo-Myanmar trade kamari leinaba gari chatpada athingba leiroi Hospital nursing home clinic dispensary chemist pharmacy amadi atai medical ga mari leinaba potlam sing yonba dukan sing medical laboratory amasung collection center sing veterinary hospital dispensary clinic pathological laboratory amadi hidak supply tawbada athingba leiroi Chakthong gas home delivery tauba postal office yauna postal service telecommunication and internet service water sanitation power supply water management sector petrol pump airport amasung airline inter and intrastate public transport social distancing ngaklaga chenbada athingba leiroi lau singugi thabak hanagumna athingba leiroi laumi singna agriculture ga mari leinaba potlam sing leibada athingba leiroi nga farm sing mathau tawba yagani amadi nga gi machinjak yonba yagani nga farm gi thabak amadi nga machinjak sembagi thabakta athingba leiroi yen loiba ok loiba sangom puthokpa amadi sanga gi machinjak puthokpagi thabakta athingba leiroi finance sector da RBI amasung RBI na regulate tawba financial market bank branch ATM amadi business correspondent sing financial institute private bank amadi insurance company sing mahuksagum thabak tawba yaragani Social sector ki oina children home disabled mentally challenged senior citizen women amadi widow home sing athingba leiroi observation home after care home amadi juvenile home gi thabakta athingba leiroi old age pension widow pension freedom fighter pension yanthokpada athingba leiroi angalwadi center singda angang singda yum changduna polam sing yantokpasu athingba leiroi lockdown manung print amade electronic media gi mioi sing chatpada athingba leiroi courier service private security service food processing unit bottled water manufacturing amade distribution showroom and servicing center for vehicles sing ayuk pung 8 dagina nungthil pung 3 phauba gari semba workshop sing ayuk pung 3 dagina nungthil pung 3 phauba social distancing ngak shopping mall sing hangbada thingba leiroi sam kakfam beauty salon loinana gym sing mi yamna pundana ba roster da hangbada athingba leiroi curfew matam natabada mi chatpada athingba leiroi interstate boundary athingba leiroi tawbada bo health ministry gi protocol ngakadabani amadi mapandagi changlakpa oirabadi border gi district administration dagi ILP lawgadabani lambi thong semba railway project rural water supply scheme gi construction amadi maintenance municipal area singda paikhalakliba construction work sing athingba leite central amadi state government gi office sing normal function tawgadabani unlock 2 gi manung containment zone gi oina october 13 phauba lockdown chanagani sahi hompuga manga gi mathakta leiba mioi sing miron bi sing amadi chahi tara gi manung da leiba angang sing gi oina tangai fadaba ana aye ki chatpa natana yumda lengdana leinana ba cherol aduna khanghalakli Armeniana ceasefire gi wari sanana ba thorang tawri Armenian amasung Azerbaijan gi forcing gi marakta numit taruk ni leptana khut thokna duna mioi kaya sikraba amasung kaya amana asok apan nangkraba separatist ki region Nagorno Karabakh ta ceasefire ama thamnana ba wari sanana ba Armenian na thorang tawduna lei haina leibak asigi official singna irai numita phongdokre Azerbaijan manung dadi leiba adubu Armeniana sawadpa local ethnic Armenian force singna control tawrga leiba region adu matam sangadagi leraklaba wathok asida sayol asida thokliba khut thoknaba asina khwaidagi hena saukhulakpa oire Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe OSCE na English na magachamapan maudraga ni thoida linkhat khiba Minsk group ki co-chair sing oiriba Russia France amasung United States ki lusingba singna sagol sen numita apun macherol ama thoktuna khudakta hostilities lepnana ba amasung OSCE Minsk group ki co-chair singi makhada machang oiba wari sanaba sing amuk hanna haunana ba wafam thamkhe Armenia gi foreign ministry na irai numita cherol ama dahai leibak asina OSCE Minsk group ki co-chairs ka loinana English singa magachamapan maudra mari maudra mangada laikiba agreement singda yumpham oiraga ceasefire regime ama amuk hanna thamnana ba wari sanaba haunana ba thorang tongduna lei Nagorno Karabakh ke conflict santi oina loisinana ba Armeniana thajaba thamduna lei haina cherol aduna palle region aduda irai numitasu sathina khut thokna ba hokre Nagorno Karabakh ki konung Spena Kerata Azerbaijan khut thabagi thabak sing chathaki haina Armenian military officials singna report tawri amasung Azerbaijan gi defense ministry gi maikai dagi Armenian force singna agdam region da bomb top kapsili haina maral siri region adugi official singna hai hojik phawbada makoi gi nakanda servicemen chamaga yankhai hena sikre Azerbaijan gi authority singna di masigi military da asi ana nangkhiba singi akupa warol phongdokte adubu micham taraga mapan sikre amasung yankhai manga henbana asok apan nangkhre haikhi sagol sen numita Martuni town da bomb top kapsilakbada paumi kaya marum asok apan nangkhre makoi gi manung da ani di pause le monde da thavak tawba friends ki citizen singni reporter Alan Kaval amasung photographer Rafael Zagobzade animak Stepana Kate hospital da pukre amasung mafam adu da operation tawkre amasung makoi irai numit ki ayukta Yerevan da pukre makoi ani Paris da puragani haina Le Monde na report tawki irai numita phongba article amada Lo Monde na hai sayol asigi khut thokna bada akai atoi thokraba sing adu makoi masamak na khangnana ba paumi ani adu sagol sen numit ki ayukta Martuni da chatkibani town adu da attack tawrokpa matam adu da makoi friends Armenian amasung atopa journalist singa loinana leiminakhi